Welcome to ALEO Miner. A recent issue of concern for ALEO miners has finally been settled. According to ALEO Project ARC46, starting from August 1st, all miners participating in ALEO mining will need to stake a certain amount of ALEO tokens to continue mining. Let's see what announcements the top 3 ALEO mining pools by total hash rate have made. First, AE2L will directly lock up the corresponding ALEO coin stake. WhalePool also has a lockup policy. DXPool has temporarily stated it will not enforce lockup. Regarding the number of tokens to stake, what has been confirmed is ALEO will continue to develop using a combination of PoW and PoS. Previously, veteran miners and clients feared a sudden cutoff like Ethereum, so this uncertainty has now been resolved. Miners who are bullish on the ALEO token can continue to confidently purchase ALEO mining machines. Today we bring you an Hashrate AE2L. This is a 570 megahashes version of the A2. Today we will unbox it. After opening the box, there is only one machine inside, and no instruction manual or power cable was seen. The A2 we are unboxing now is the 570 megahashes version, because recently ALEO machines have been very confusing. There were rumors before about A3 and various versions of A2, or that A1 Lite would have versions with different hash rates. So regarding this version's actual hash rate and actual power consumption, in my later practical test, I will show everyone with actual actions. We ensure the power cable is securely plugged into the machine body, and the network cable is plugged in properly, then we can start powering on. Now it has run for about 57 minutes. We see the hash rate has reached 630 megahashes. The A2 has a total of 3 hash boards. Each hash board is roughly around 200 megahashes. It is equipped with 3 high-speed fans, with a speed of around 6,000 revolutions. After the A2 stabilizes, the actual power consumption is roughly around 1,270 watts. The weight of the A2 with packaging is approximately 12.5 kilograms. The bare weight of the A2 is 11.23 kilograms. Let's summarize this machine. It is a standard mining farm machine, not suitable for home use. If you want to mine ALEO at home, then consider quiet home machines like the AO. The body is labeled as 570 megahashes. In our practical test, it indeed achieved over 570 megahashes. So in terms of hash rate, it is very satisfactory. Regarding the change in the algorithm, I believe for miners who hold ALEO long-term or mine ALEO long-term, it doesn't have a significant impact. It affects miners who want short-term profits and exit. Also, the impact on mining pools is quite significant. Although staking has staking rewards, the cryptocurrency market is, after all, a market with extreme volatility. For mining pools, they might not want to bear this volatility. Regarding the number of tokens to stake, at the mining pool level, they each need to bear this much staking volume. For miners, our main focus is how many tokens do we need to stake. Take the Hashrate AO as an example, with a hash rate of 60 megahashes. Theoretically, it needs to stake 288 tokens. Based on today's hash rate, roughly the first 30 days of mining will all go into the staking pool. Starting from the 31st day, then your ALEO can be withdrawn normally to your account. Similarly, for machines like the Gold Shell Max or the Gold Shell EA1M, then they will have corresponding time points. Anyway, for miners, everyone is around 30.45 days, as long as the algorithm isn't a sudden cutoff like Ethereum back then. Then for ALEO miners, it won't have a major impact. After all, your machine can still continue to be used, unlike back then when it directly became a brick. Hashrate on the ALEO project has been constantly defeating itself, and also defeating others, continuously updating in terms of hash rate. In every iteration, it always runs at the forefront. If you are interested in ALEO mining machines, welcome to join our Telegram group or visit our WhalePool official website to get the latest mining machine information daily and the most favorable prices.